Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Exprelia Evo espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just had to fix a leak coming out from the inside of the thermal blocks. We also make sure that all the hoses that are connected to the steam boiler and the brew boiler were secure and not leaking. We also checked the little water pump that is on this side, as well as the other water pump, the main brew water pump of the machine, to make sure they were not leaking and they were still working. We descaled the machine while this machine had the panels off, just to double check that there were not any leaks or anything else that we missed. Put it back together, then clean up the front, clean up the brew unit, replace the brew bag of the bottom as well, and replace the gasket of the brew unit. So yeah, that's what we did. Now starting with one cappuccino, we're going to be testing everything at once. We're going to be testing the whole carafe side, as well as we're going to be testing the spouts. Put it right here. There you go. That's a cappuccino. Now we do not have milk. We have water on the carafe, but we're still going to be able to see it siphoning from the carafe going into the cup. As you can see, there is steam coming out from the carafe. The siphons. It's going to be a little bit violent because it is water, it's not milk, and it's not frothing anything. But still, you can still see the beautiful stream coming out from the carafe. You're going to stop it manually because otherwise it's going to overfill. Machine is going to just purge itself and it's going to clean. And then it's going to brew the coffee. As it does that, pre-infusion happens on the brew unit, where the water pump starts pushing water slowly through the brew unit, and then it will start pressurizing and then pushing the coffee from the spouts. That will be the pre-infusion, and that will be the extraction. As you can see, steady stream coming out from the spouts can be adjusted back and forth with this.
Where should I put this cinquano?
You can increase the flow or decrease the flow or increase the crema.
I guess I could put it in that spot.
And now we're gonna be testing the hot water of the machine. Okay, that is the menu to get to the hot water side, so that we can use the one. And as you can see, steady stream coming out from the hot water pump. Tiny little one that is on the right side of the machine. We're gonna stop it, and then we're gonna use the steamer function. Milk. We get the steam. There you go. Now it's gonna take a little bit for that thermal block to get up to temperature, but once it does, the tiny water pump on the right side of the machine will start pushing water through the system through a series of solenoid valves, and then it will leak out of the steamer. Excellent pressure coming out from the steamer one. Working amazingly. Working great. So there you have it. Saeco Esprelia Evo working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.